multi-step problems again today. Last week we talked about how to write all the steps in one equation. We're going to look at that again today. We're used to writing one step with one equation and then our second one. So today we're going to try and put them all together similar to what we did last week, because you will see that on Friday. So I just want you to be aware of that. There's no title that you're writing down, but we are going to be working to solve this problem. Step number 1, read it, and step number 2 is figure out what you're counting with the answer sentence. Go ahead and do that. Read this problem in your head, and then write your answer sentence once you figured it out. All right, this problem reads, Maria fills 4 bags with oranges. There's 6 oranges in each bag. Her family eats 8 oranges. How many oranges are left? What is our answer sentence? I should see lots of hands. I should see lots and lots of hands. Cole, what you got?
Blank oranges are left.
Blank oranges are left. I like to start with there are, but you can just go to blank oranges. That's fine. You can write that sentence. If you have something similar that you wrote, awesome. Stop. All right, we've done number 1. We've done number 2. What is step number 3, Arik? Where do I get my information for my bar model? You're right, it is a bar model, but where am I getting my information for my bar model? From the problem. I'm going to go line by line. Read that first sentence to me, Ava. Maria fills 4 bags with oranges. Am I counting bags?
No.
No. I'm counting oranges. Maya and I had this conversation last time. The thing that we're counting is what's inside the bar. Does that make sense?
Yes.
So if I'm doing 4 bags with oranges, what should I draw? Avery? 4 bags with oranges. It could be circles. I like to make mine nice and neat in a box. But you could draw literal circles. That would be fine. Colby, why do I have 4 boxes right there? For the bags. So far, so good?
Yes.
Second sentence. Maverick, read that second sentence, please.
There are 6 oranges in each bag.
There are 6 oranges in each bag. What am I going to do with that information? What am I going to do with that nugget of knowledge? Marley? Put 6 in each box, because Colby already told us these boxes are my bags. So there's 6 in this one, 6 in this one, 6 in this one, 6 in this one. Now I'm going to do something else. I know that they're all in individual bags, right? But I can add them all up, right? So I'm going to make a bar that's exactly the same size. That's all together. That that box, that bar, means, hey, it's the same number. This is just all together, and this one is in each of the bags. What?
We know 6 plus 6 equals.
But we're not solving it yet, because we haven't even finished the sentence, or all the sentences yet. We're on the 3rd one. What's that 3rd sentence say? Because we're not done yet. Julian?
Her family eats 8 oranges.
Her family eats 8 oranges. How am I going to show that?
8 oranges gone.
Emma, what do you think?
You're gonna solve 6 plus 6 plus 6 plus 6.
So I don't want the number. I want to model what happened. Avery?
Could you go, you could figure out that answer and then subtract 8 from that answer? answer?
How am I going to model it is what I want to know.
You could do the one and then stack it.
Am I going to put it next to my oranges?
Yeah. No. Oranges. Yeah.
It is oranges. Am I going to put it next to my bag of oranges?
No.
No, because they ate them. They're all gone. I'm not adding any more. I'm going to put them down here. I made a little bar with an 8 in it. And the reason I did that is because if I imagine taking that chunk of 8 and pulling it away, this box right here is what I would have left. Does that make sense?
Yes.
I'm going to say that one more time just in case that was confusing for you. I'm going to put an 8 in a smaller box because if I imagine I've grabbed 8 of them and I'm about to pull them away because I'm about to eat them, what I have left in my ghost box is what I've got left. Maverick?
We could use the black hole strategy.
Sure, because we're subtracting, that would be an appropriate strategy. So now we need an equation. This looks kind of crazy. Start with what I need to solve first. Owen, what do I need to solve first?
6 plus 6.
Keep going. The whole thing.
And then equals 12. What? 6 plus 6 equals 12. Then 12 plus 12 is 24.
Okay, so Bowen is saying I need to figure out this number right here. Can you give me, Bowen, because I'm noticing these are all the same amount. It's like repeated addition. Could you give me a multiplication equation that would match that?
4 times 6.
We have 4 groups of 6. I'm writing, that means you're writing, but I'm not putting an equal sign because I'm not done yet. I did 4 groups of 6. And then I had to do something else.
Minus.
What else did I have to do? You already told me I had to do that 4 groups of 6 first. Bowen already figured it out in his brain. But that's not the end of my problem. Lydia?
4 times 6 minus 8.
Minus 8. Now I can put equals mystery. I'm going to read this equation in English. You ready? 4 bags of 6 oranges take away 8 oranges. Does that match our story?
Yeah.
Yes. This is the math language of that story. All right, let's fill in our bar model to figure it out. Bowen, you solved our 4 groups of 6. Yes? What was our 4 groups of 6 worth?
24.
24. I'm going to write it right here. Why did I write it right there? Why did I put it right there? Ava?
Because it represents the 4 6s above.
Yeah, it's the same size. So these are the same value. Do they look exactly the same?
No.
No.
They're still the same.
But they're the same value. They're the same amount in each one.
They just look a little.
I'm going to rewrite my equation with the new knowledge that Bowen gave me. Because I know 4 groups of 6 is worth 24. I'm going to change that out. And now I've got 24 minus 8 equals mystery. 24 minus this chunk of 8, should be right here, is going to give me my mystery. I love that I see Avery's got some fingers going. Subtracting 8, you could definitely count backwards. That's not a large number. You could count on. 24 is not a large number. You could do black hole. Solve for the difference. Give me a secret thumb when you're done, because I want to give everybody a chance to think.
Oh.
Addison, what did you get? What's the difference between 24 and 8?
16.
16. Beautiful. Give me 2 signals if you got 16. Nice. I have a lot of numbers on this page. So can I help you a little bit? 24 minus 4 gets me to 20.
Oh.
Minus 4 more gets me to 16. It just broke apart my 8. That makes it a little easier for my brain. I got a lot of numbers on this page. How do I know which one goes in my answer sentence? So I got 6, I got 8, I got 4, I got 24, I got 16. I got so many numbers. How do I know which one is going to complete my answer sentence? Jordan?
You look either in the notes box or next or after the equal sign.
Yeah, it's going to solve my last equation. 24 minus 8 is 16. And if I think about what that means, 4 groups of 6 minus my 8 oranges, that's how much I've got left. Rogan, do you have a question left? All right, this next part, you're not really going to need to write anything, but I want you to be thinking with our math language. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to give you an equation, and I want you to tell me what math story could go with that. Right now I have 3 times 4 equals mystery. What math story could go with that? What math story could go with that? Ava, what you got?
This girl had 3 pencils. 2 groups of 4 pencils. She wanted to take away.
Am I taking away anything?
She wondered how many were in each group.
Not in each group. I know how many's in each group. She's 3 again.
How many there are in all?
How many there are in all? Yeah. So Ava's story. Miss Miller has 3 groups of 4 pencils equals total number of pencils. Any other ideas of what math problem could match this story? Mason? Okay, Avery?
There are 3 buckets of 4 bananas. Miss Miller wants to know how much bananas are there in all.
There are 3 buckets of 4 bananas equals total number of bananas. That'll work. Maverick?
Maverick went to the store and bought 3 bags with 4 bananas in each bag. Maverick wants to know how many bananas he bought in all.
Perfect. Let's try another one. Ooh. What's my story gonna be? It's a little different. What story could I make to match this one? Cole, you got one?
Cole had 5 groups of 20.
Keep going, because I got more information up there. Going?
35 groups of cards put in the 5 groups put in.
Ooh, I love that, but that doesn't match that equation. You gave me this one. You gave me 35 put into 5 groups. You'll get the same answer, yes, but it doesn't match this equation exactly. You want to try one more time?
No.
Paxton?
Paxton has 5 groups of bananas.
Of bananas, nice.
And I don't know how many are in each group. He has 35 bananas.
Ooh, I love that. Paxton has 5 groups of bananas. He doesn't know how many are in each group, but he has 35 total. Beautiful. Cole has 5 groups of mystery amounts of brownies, but there are 35 brownies. Jordan, you want to try?
Larry has 5 packs of video games. He does not know how many video games are in each pack. He has 35 video games in all.
Beautiful. Nailed it. Let's try this one. I'm gonna rewrite this one with our normal division symbol just so we can see it. No, but I need participants, otherwise I will make you write it down. This is a little trickier. Callie, you wanna give it a go?
Callie has 24 cookies.
Love it.
She eats 4.
What does the symbol mean?
Put into
Put into. Let's help out Callie. She's got her 24 cookies. That'll work. What is she gonna do with those cookies? All right.
She's gonna put those cookies in 4 groups.
She's gonna put those cookies into 4 groups. Callie, what is this mystery gonna give us?
Blank.
It is a blank, but what does that mean in our problem? 24 cookies put into 4 groups is gonna be worth mystery what?
Mystery cookies.
Mystery cookies
In
in
group.
each group. There you go. Bowen, you want to try?
Store?
Uh-huh.
Oh.
I got one for you. Bowen got 24 cars. Parked in his 4 garages.
Oh my God.
He doesn't know how many cars he's got on each garage. That's a lot of cars. That's a lot of garages. Connor, go for it. Oh, I can't hear Connor.
But I don't know how many clothes are in the country.
Beautiful. That's a lot of Connors running around. Let's try this one. Ooh. It's been a while since we played with some addition. That shouldn't be too difficult.
Oh.
Go for it, Julian.
So, Julian has 5 bananas, and he brought 3 more. How many bananas did Julian brought?
Love it. That'll totally work. Marley, go for it.
Marley has 5 cookies, and she went to the store and got 3 more.
I'm going to do a really tricky one. I want you to tell me, does this match? You ready? Will this match? Miss Miller bought 5 strawberries and 3 apples.
Oh.
Yeah.
Will that work?
Yeah.
They're 2 different units, 5 strawberries and 3 apples. How do you add those together? What am I counting? Fruit. Raw apples? No, strawberry apples? Cool. Fruit. I have to, alright, thank you. I have to change what I'm counting to fruit. 5 pieces of fruit plus 3 more pieces of fruit equals 8 pieces of fruit. Alright, let's try. This is very similar to the word problem we just solved. Think about it. Think about what would be happening.
Easy.
Alright, Emma, give it a go.
Emma has 2 packs of 6 pencils.
Emma has 2 packs of 6 pencils. So far, so good.
She gave away 2 pencils.
She gave away 2 pencils.
Now Emma has 20 pencils.
Love it. Great job. She said Emma has 2 packs of 6 pencils. She gave away 2 pencils. Now she has mystery number. All right, Lydia, go for it.
I have
2 bags with
Marla, turn around.
6 strawberries in them. I eat 2. How many do I have left?
I eat 2
Strawberries.
strawberries. Let's make sure we're naming that unit, because are you eating 2 packs? 2 strawberries. You deserve them? Yeah. Perfect. Lydia has 2 packs of strawberries with 6 strawberries in each. She eats 2. Now she has mystery number. Go for it, Avery.
Avery has 2 buckets of 6 fish. She threw away 2 of the rotten fish. How much fish did she have left?
That'll work. 2 buckets with 6 fish in each bucket. Take away 2 rotten fish. Throw them away.
1,000 RPM.
Woo. Oh. Think about it. No, looks a little crazy, but you can. Think it through. Think about what might be happening. Wow, you're facing the wrong way, friend. Jordan?
Bob has 75 years of corn. He gets 85 more years of corn. Then he eats 37 years of corn. How many years of corn does he have left?
Love it. According to Jordan, Bob's got 75 ears of corn. He gets 85 more ears of corn, probably from his neighbor. Then he eats 37 ears of corn. Beautiful. Archer, let's try another one.
This one has 75
Oh, hang on. I have 75 what?
cars.
Cars. Yeah, I do.
85 more. Crashes 37.
Oh my God!
More cars. How many?
You got it. Think it through, step brother.
How many does she have left?
Yeah, Miss Miller's got 75 cars. She buys 85 more cars, but then she wrecks 37 cars. How many more, or how many running cars does she have? Go for it, Brogan.
There are 75 kids at.
Hang on, I can't hear.
There are 75 kids at a playground. 85 more. 85 more. 37. Not bad.
Okay, that'll work. I don't know if I have any more. I think that was my last one. Yep. All right, so what we're going to do is I've got another worksheet very similar to one that you did last week. You're going to work in a partner. It is 2 problems. I need to see an answer sentence, a model, an equation, and whatever you use to solve it. Does that make sense? Connor, you're facing the wrong way. Are there any questions? Yes.
What do you want to know?